Hi friends, welcome to Hot and Sweet. Creamy, tangy, and totally addictive. Grab your whisk, because we are diving into the world's best Dahi Vada recipe. Let's go. Let's look at the ingredients. Urad dal 250 grams. Curd. Baking soda pinch. Save. Sugar. Salt. Bundi. Start with urad dal, soaked for at least 4 to 5 hours. Blend it into a thick paste with just 2-3 tablespoons of water. Keep it thick. This is how thick the batter should be. Add salt to the batter. And a pinch of baking soda. And mix well. Heat all in a pan. Drop them in gently and watch them puff up instantly. Fry these until they are beautiful, even golden brown. You want that slight crunch on the outside to hold up against the yogurt later. Take 2 cups of fresh, thick chilled yogurt and whisk it until it's silky smooth. No lumps allowed here. Add in 2 teaspoons of sugar and a half teaspoon of salt to balance the tang. Now for the most important step, the bath. Drop those hot vadas straight into water. This doesn't just make them soft, it also draws out any excess oil, keeping the dish light and refreshing. Take those softened vadas and give them a deep dive into that chilled, creamy curd. It's time for the garnish. Splash of spicy mint and coriander chutney to wake up the senses. A generous drizzle of sweet and tangy tamarind chutney. Finish it with a dusting of roasted cumin, Kashmiri chili. Top with fresh coriander and crunchy save. Just look at that. It's almost too beautiful to eat. If you're team sweet chutney, drop a heavy black heart in the comments. Save this recipe for your next Chaat night and follow for more street-style secrets. There's nothing like homemade Dahi Vada. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy, authentic Indian comfort food. Happy cooking!